Hello and Sat Shri Akal to everyone. I would love to greet you people with this word. As you all know, I am Preet and you're watching my channel Language Fluency by Preet Moncor. I came up here after a couple of days and surely this time I'm gonna share a beautiful and a value-based story through which you're gonna ponder about yourself more. And one thing which is very special this time is you're gonna learn about the vocabulary words at the end of this story. You would have a list of the vocabulary words as I am gonna use some of the vocabulary under this story. So stay tuned and watch till sequel. So today topic would be a story of a father and the son about the value of a person. So once upon a time, a boy asked his father a question that, Papa, what is the value of a person? I do not realize where a person lies. I considered that a normal person value is useless. His thoughts were just like that. So his father, just by listening to him, gave a stone, a simple kind of stone, and said that he have to sell it by just raising your two fingers if somebody would be asking you for the price of that particular stone. So he just did, and by following all these things, by following this, he moved and just sat on the road. A lady came to him and asked for the price of that particular stone. So, as per his father's words, he just raised his two fingers, and the lady perceived and said that, oh, it's 200 rupees. And the boy was really shocked to see, yes, and the lady said that, sure, I'm going to pay it for you. So the boy felt on cloud nine and ran so rashly to his father and told about everything which was happened with him. And his father took it so lightly and said, that's great, my son, go for another deal. You have to go to another deal to get to know about the value of a person. I'm just going to tell you about each and everything about the value of the person. So his father gave him a direction to go to a museum shop. Now then he next went to the museum. There he showcased his stone to the owner of that museum, and out of whole the mob there who were exploring, so one asked for the price of the stone, and he just raised his two fingers as he did earlier as per his father's word. So one person got and said that, oh, it's 20,000. That's so great. I would like to buy. So he just went back to his father and discussed about the interaction that he had with the person that was perceiving 20,000 for that particular stone he was just showcasing. So his father was so exuberant to listen and sent back to the high profile and experienced antique showroom. There he just presented his stone to the shopkeeper, a person who was standing beyond. The boy got his eyes on that particular stone. He got amazed to see the stone and shared that it is a kind of a stone that he has been probing for last 10 years, and he really wanted to buy that particular stone, and he was asking for the price. As the boy put his two fingers in the upward direction as he was doing previously, and the person who was standing beside him just said, oh, it's 2 lakh rupees for two fingers. The boy got really cheerful and amazed, and the person was dying to get a stone like this. After all the happenings, boy came to his father and told that the one person is willing to pay me 2 lakh rupees for this simple stone. Then his father began to tell that, now you got realized, my son. Our value is just like a stone. This is in your hand, or it all depends upon you. How? So देखो, I'm going to share a moral ऑफ दिस स्टोरी विद यू. सो मोरल क्या बनता है स्टोरी का? आप अपने आप को वहाँ पे प्लेस करो जहाँ पे आपकी वैल्यू हो, जहाँ पे आपको इतना अच्छा ना ट्रीट किया जाए और आपकी वैल्यू ना पूछी जाए, आपको ना पूछा जाए. सो लेट इट गो. आप वहाँ से निकल जाएं, ठीक है. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू प्लेस योर सेल्फ टू दैट पोजिशन, पहले तो आप अपने आप को इतने कैपेबल बनाओ, एंड देन इफ़ अगर आपको वैल्यू वहाँ से नहीं मिल रही है, लेट गो फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस सो दैट यू कैन फाइंड योर प्लेस, योर बेटर प्लेस. So do not consider yourself nothing. If you have to place yourself, or you have to be gathered around with the people with strong vision and the strong mindset, definitely you will gonna rock the world. Definitely you will receive lots of blessings into your life. As I usually heard a lot of proverbs in my life, one of the bestest or one of the most favorite proverb that I heard is sit with winners. The conversation is different. If you sit with winners, or if you sit with the same mindset people as you will definitely get the best results and the sequels. Definitely. Now you can see in this video I have used a lot of vocabulary words that will help you in learning English language. So first word here is rashly. I have used this word when I was talking about a guy who just ran rationally to his father to tell about the situation which had happened with him. So रैशनली का मतलब क्या होता है, जब आप अपना बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं देते किसी चीज़ के लिए और भाग भाग के तेज कुछ काम करते हैं, मतलब विदाउट एनी केयरफुलनेस यू डू समथिंग, सो एट दैट टाइम यू कैन यूज़ द वर्ड रैश और रैशली सॉरी. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ लाइटली. लाइटली मीन्स क्या होता है, जब आप किसी चीज़ को वेटेज नहीं देते, कम ध्यान देते हैं, दैट मीन्स यू केयर लेस फॉर द थिंग्स. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ परसीव. परसीव का मतलब क्या होता है, समझना, किसी चीज़ को अंडरस्टैंड करना, टू अंडरस्टैंड. वेन एवर यू आर यूजिंग द वर्ड अंडरस्टैंड, यू कैन पुट द वर्ड परसीव एट दैट प्लेस. शोकेस. शोकेस का मतलब क्या होता है, दिखाना. आई हैव यूज्ड दिस वर्ड for the guy that showcased his stone to that particular museum shop. नेक्स्ट इज मोब. मोब का मतलब क्या होता है, भीड़, जहाँ पे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ क्राउड वर देयर और आर देयर. ओके. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज एक्सप्लोर. एक्सप्लोर का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ के बारे में जानना, सर्च आउट करना, इंक्वायर. नेक्स्ट वोकैबलरी क्या है हमारी, एक्ज्यूबरेंट. एक्ज्यूबरेंट का मतलब होता है बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होना, मतलब आप इतने एक्साइटेड होते हो किसी चीज़ के लिए, सो you can use exuberant is one of the most wonderful word. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ अमेज. अमेज का मतलब होता है सरप्राइज होना, हैरान होना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ प्रॉबिंग. आई हैव यूज दिस वर्ड इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ दिस वीडियो, यू कैन जस्ट चेक इट आउट. प्रॉबिंग का मतलब क्या होता है, to go for something particular with physical involvement. when you involve yourself physically, मतलब आप खुद उस चीज़ के अंदर इन्वॉल्व होते हो और सर्च आउट करते हो फॉर द थिंग्स, सो यू कैन यूज़ द वर्ड्स प्रॉब, जिसको हम स्टार्ट करना भी कहते हैं. फाइन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड वी हैव इज़ चीयरफुल. चीयरफुल का मतलब क्या होता है, यू ऑल नो दैट इज़ हैप्पी, है ना. when you are full of happiness, when you feel yourself happy, you can use this word as cheerful. I feel cheerful all the time. Next word is ponder. Ponder is something when you think about something so carefully, when you go in depth. Fine. So our last word of this whole video or this whole story is couple of days. You can use this word as couple of minutes, or you can say couple of months, couple of years. couple का मतलब क्या होता है, few days or several days. ठीक है. it can't be only the even days but few days you can say, or you can use for several days. Or so you guys have to use these words of the vocabulary in your daily life to improve something, to get better something. All right. I am hoping that you would be liking this video. If this video would prove best to you, so just let me know in the comments below. So I am just signing off, so please get back to it, and so don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and most especially just view the video for better understanding, and keep connected with Language Fluency by Preporn Kaur.